Hello and welcome back to Master Game Design Unreal Engine 5 Stylized Environment and Third-Person Blueprint course. In the last video we left off with creating the typewriter effect. This blueprint here looks like a Rorschach image. Anyway, so now let's implement this. First of all, we're going to need a custom event, and let's say it's called play, just play. So what we need is to give a reference to our, we connect it here, and we have the, when we call this from the quest giver blueprint, we will give the reference. The same we will do for our message, which message it should play. And from our message, we're gonna get character array from string, and this makes an array out of our characters, all the message. And we're gonna set our message array, and we're gonna set typing to true. Now we're gonna need to call our typewriter and connect it to enter. Since we have these variables as output, we're gonna get our quest message and set text, and we're gonna connect text here, and soon we will be able to debug this, see if it's working. Now we need something to call break, so let's create a custom event. And call it stop, and connect this here. Now what happens when we exit? Now we should do some things about this press E to continue, which doesn't look that well. It wasn't compiled. Okay. So let's make a fade animation, so this appears when the message is finished and starts fading in and out. I'm gonna give it an original opacity. Go to opacity, here we are, and set it to 0. So when I start the animation, I want it to, let's create a new animation, fade, let's call this press key. You didn't like it, key press. It cannot get spaces. Let's put an underscore. Yeah, and let's select it. We have selected the player accepts message, so right now I can add a track to it. And let's get the render opacity, create a track for render opacity, and from 0 in 0.25 I want it to go to 1. At 0.5 should go to 0.2. Let's not return it to 0. 0.75 should be 1. 1 second should be 0.2. 125. Not 1. And let's set it to keep state. Right click on the track, on this track, on sorry, I meant this track, and properties, keep state. So when it's finished, it's gonna stay on 1. Compile and save, and on graph, on exit now. if it's a full text, if this is true, we should play this animation, which we're gonna find on animations, fade and player press, and we're gonna drag from it and play. Also, we should set typing to false. And this should happen from even if the message is not full message. So typing is on false. Now, if we had if we wanted to send to the quest giver that the message was end, we would send here a message like we would go to our blueprint interface that we use for communications. Where is it? Here, PI comms, and create a new function, call it message finish, and this could be sent to this reference here, like this. But we don't have any functionality for this right now. Anyway, compile and save, and let's go back to our quest giver. I think actually this is it for this one. We'll finish with the widget quest message. Actually, one more thing, one more fix here. If we stop the message and for some reason the animation is playing, we should actually stop it. So I don't know if there is a chance with our code for this to happen, but just in case, why not? Makes the system more complete. If is this animation playing, then stop animation. No, let's not rewind. I don't think I can rewind anyway. It's not a movie. Anyway, compile and save. And let's go here. Okay, this is it for this one. I will see you in a bit in the Blueprint Quest Giver.